Everyone's talking about how to make money with AI. But what if I told you that there's actually a lazy way to do this? No tech skills, no team, and absolutely no stress. In this video, I'm gonna break down how to make money with AI, the easiest and laziest way to do it, even if you're an absolute beginner. I'll show you how to turn simple AI tools such as ChatGPT and Canva into simple income streams that you can automate and you can even make money while you sleep. And if you want 10 beginner friendly AI side hustle ideas, which you can start this week, then I have a free guide for you. I've linked it down in the description box below. Grab it now. So let's define lazy. When I say lazy, I don't mean not doing anything. I mean you set it up once and then AI does most of the work for you. So the lazy AI method, it's all about using automations and digital products. You create something once, like an ebook, a template, or even a mini course, and it continues to sell for you passively. So AI tools such as ChatGPT can help you to script, come up with content ideas, or even help you to brainstorm ideas for your digital product. And then you can use Canva to design your digital products beautifully, and you don't even need a designer to do this. So what type of digital products works for this? I'm going to show you some beginner friendly, lazy ideas of digital products that you can use. So the first one on the list are ebooks and guides. So these are easy mini guides that you can create using Canva, where all the knowledge, skills, ideas that you have about a specific topic that you would want to share, then an ebook would be perfect for you to write all those ideas down. Choose a topic that you want to create an ebook about, or if you have specific skills, knowledge on a topic already, then you can use that to write your ebook. Then you can use ChatGPT to help you to get those ideas together and to outline your ebook for you. The next one are digital templates. So Canva has so much of these that you can use. You can sell these online. So these templates can be social media packs, planners, and simple, easy journals, or even those type of ideas where you can just create it once for someone and they buy it from you, then they can use it just to save time. The next one are mini courses. So with mini courses, you can record short screen tutorials using ChatGPT and Canva as well to help you to do this. And then you can use ChatGPT to help you to outline your course. Then you use Canva, PowerPoint to get them together. You can simply record yourself, share your screen, and that's how you come up with a simple mini course. So here's the thing. All three of these can be created in a weekend. So with you and the help of AI, so AI does most of the work for you. So you can literally create these in a few days. Now that you have the product's ideas, let's talk about designing it the lazy way. Let's go. So here's how I use ChatGPT and Canva together to create a complete product for you. So I'm going to show you on my screen, and I'm going to tell you what prompts to give ChatGPT for it to produce the best digital product for you. So let's go. So here we are in ChatGPT. So the first step is we're going to use ChatGPT to help us to create a digital product. So let's ask ChatGPT, please generate 10 product ideas. So we're going to see what ideas it gives us in the cooking niche. So let's go. So we're going to use cooking, for example. So let's see what it does. So here are 10 products ideas in the cooking niche. So it says digital products that you can create are 30-minute meal ebook series, an AI meal planner app or a template. That sounds good. A cooking masterclass for beginners. Wow, this is a good one. healthy meal prep challenge that you can create, or a cultural recipe ebook series. And also it gives you ideas on physical products that you can create as well. So being that we're on the topic of digital products, so we're going to stick to these. So as you can see, ChatGPT literally gives you 5 ideas which you can choose from any of these and start creating in Canva. So let's go to the next step. So step 2, you're gonna pick one of these topics ideas that that ChatGPT gave us, and then we're gonna now ask ChatGPT to write the content. So in this example, we're gonna use ebook. So let's go. So here we are back in ChatGPT, and this is an easy way to do it. So we'll choose this one, 30 minutes meal ebook. So I'm gonna just go over it like this, highlight it, and then you wanna just say, ask ChatGPT. So we're gonna just ask ChatGPT to write the content for this. So being that we did that just now, right here, we highlighted it. So ChatGPT is literally just going to answer what we highlighted. So write the content for this. So let's go. All right. So here's a complete content outline plus sample written content for a 30-minute meal ebook series. So ChatGPT literally lays out all the content for this ebook, so you can literally copy and paste this into a Google Doc and then start to create. It's that simple. So I'm giving you these steps on how you can literally create your first digital product. So simple, using the power of AI. So now we're at step 3. So now we want to go to Canva, and we're going to use a pre-designed layout that we can copy and paste the content that we just got from ChatGPT into this. So let's get it done. So here we are. So we're going to use a cookbook template. So a template for a cookbook. So here we are. So we could choose from any one of these. So for instance, if we chose this one, then we could choose to customize this. Once it is that we have a design in our mind, all the content that we just got from ChatGPT, we're gonna literally go over there, copy and paste it over here for this. So we can change the pictures, we can change the background, we can add anything that we want, we can change the design of this cookbook. So here you are, you can change it to anyone, you can change the colors, change the fonts, you can do so much with this. So once you finalize on what the design that you need, you just take all the content that we were talking about earlier over ChatGPT, literally bring it over to Canva and paste it all, and there you have a full ebook ready to sell. So after you're done creating it in Canva, then you just want to download it there, and then you can upload it on places like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website to start selling it. So it's that simple. And the best part about this is that you don't have to sell your digital products manually. You can use tools such as System.io or ConvertKit, and this will help you with your email automations. Then you can use Canva, the Magic Studio, for your social media designs, and then you can use ChatGPT to write your sales emails and also your captions. So everything is done for you using these AI tools. So once it is that it's set up one time using the automation, it keeps running for you, which is why I call it the laziest way to make money with AI. Because once you set it up, it's gonna run for you automatically. So if this sounds like something you want to set up, make sure you grab my 10 beginner AI side hustle free guide that I've linked down in the description box below, so you can get it. Once you create and launch your first product, you don't want to stop there. You want to repurpose your content into multiple products. So for instance, if you started with just a simple ebook, then you can turn that ebook into a mini course for your audience. So always think about ways you can continue to grow, to continue to scale, to, bundle your products, sell higher ticket products. Even if you started at a $27 ebook, then you want to go higher in courses. For the course sales, you would go higher in price. And to create consistent content, you want to use ChatGPT to help you with that. So ChatGPT will help you to come up with content ideas and everything that you need to market your business on social media. And if you see me looking down, I have my notes right here. So don't get confused. So we are using AI to build wealth. You want to use AI to create generational wealth for you, your family, your children. You want to build AI businesses that will last for the future. So you're not just building a one-time hustle, you're building an AI assisted business. And if you hear the news going around, talk all this, this buzz around I hear that there will be a one-man trillion-dollar business that will be created with AI. I'll link the source somewhere right around here at this and on this video so you can see. I think it was the AI CEO that said it, or I'm not sure, but I'll definitely put it right here so you can see the article. So don't underestimate the power of AI and what it can do for you. So if you've been waiting on a sign to get started with your online business or start, then this is it. Has made things very, very much easier. So it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter and create income that runs while you're sleeping. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And it was so nice having you here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.